We haven't shopped at Costco in a very long time. We just got some gas and there was no line, so that was awesome. Judy knows exactly where to go. She's the pro. She's shown me how to shop here at Costco. Ever since I started vlogging these things, Judy doesn't go here very often. If you don't get gas at Costco, you're totally missing out because it is literally the best deal almost always. And usually I don't even have to check, but when I do check, it's always cheaper than anywhere else. One huge secret when it comes to getting the best deal at Costco, you should have that Costco credit card because you get 4% cash back on all your gas that you fill up on. So in addition to getting a cheaper per gallon gas price, you get 4% back. And if you don't use the deals or take advantage of the deals, guess what? You're gonna pay for the deals. So other people get cash back and then you pay the price. What's going on here?
You need another set of variety cards.
Oh, okay, all right. See, look, I would never buy this normally, but I'm here with Judy and we're gonna stock up on all the things that she hasn't bought in 6 months.
I feel like I haven't been to Costco in forever.
Yeah, before we got in here, she's like, hey, is this gonna be one of those leisure trips or are we gonna hustle through? I was like, oh, don't worry, you won't have to wait on me, but I'm already seeing.
No, I don't mind that you said it, but it was the execution of it that I think you could have worked on.
Oh, okay. She was the one that said she wanted to go through here quick, but I have a feeling it's gonna turn into a leisure trip. It's all good, I don't mind. I want her to shop here because the best deals are here and she hasn't gotten to shop in a long time. Okay, anyways, back to what I was saying. So yeah, the credit card. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Costco. I am just telling you this because it is the best deal. But 4% cash back. I mean, just do the math over the course of a month. If you're filling up, especially 2 cars like us, you save a lot of money. Say you spend $1,000 on gas. That's $40 that you're getting back that other people literally paid for. This is why points and cash back is kind of not fair because the people that take advantage of it get all the savings, all the cash back, and people that don't take advantage of it, they don't get anything. And they're the ones paying for that. So you might as well sign up. And I would highly suggest it for people that shop at Costco very regularly and love to come here, or like us, load up on food and the usual buys every single week. Definitely one of the best deals to stock up on. Batteries, I always get our batteries from here. It's the best deal. Even though it's a huge pack and you think like, hey, I don't need that many batteries, batteries last forever, so I always get batteries here. Okay, I don't know where Judy went, she was behind me. She went her own way. Speaking of something that lasts forever, booze. And even the Kirkland brand booze, like tequila, vodka, whiskey, usually those are premium brands that are just being relabeled as Kirkland brand. So I always try to get the big bottle. I think I literally bought this maybe like 2 or 3 months ago. This huge bottle of Maker's Mark, $54. All in, taxes and everything. That's a hella good deal and that'll last me quite a long time. And if you want to buy, 2 or 3 of these in stock up or anything, wine included, it's a good idea. See, the thing about booze, not only does it last forever, all of this is only going to get more expensive. So this is Judy's favorite booze deal.
It's like $8.
$8. And how many? That's 4 bottles of wine in there?
Yeah,
$2 per bottle. That's
like for a bottle of Kirkland Pinot Grigio, $5.
And what's nice about something like white wine, we use it for cooking. So when we're gonna deglaze a pan, we always have it in the fridge and it's very convenient just to be able to open the door, get a little squirt inside of a cup and then use it for deglazing. So not only do we drink it, we also use it for cooking. So definitely worth stocking up on. And that'll last a while, but if you use it a lot, but like I said, unfortunately because of inflation, everything's just getting more expensive and there's a really good chance everything is going to get way more expensive in the next few years. So I kind of wish during 2020 when everybody was panicking, I bought more booze because literally everything I bought, which was enough, I thought was for like the next 5-10 years, we drank in 1 or 2 years. So definitely one of the best deals at Costco is booze, wine, liquor. I don't really buy beer because I like trying different kinds of beer, but yeah. So of course I've talked about fruits and vegetables, though it is a really good deal. When it comes to veggies or anything leafy green, I like to buy at a regular grocery store unless I know I'm going to use all of that, like the spinach. It's kind of strange being here with her because normally I have 2 little kids with me that I have to kind of keep my eye on, but I have to keep my eye on Judy in a different way. By the way, these organic watermelons have been pretty awesome, so I'm gonna grab 2 of them. I almost feel like we should grab maybe more. It's so strange not having the little ones here in this cart with me. One more thing about the Costco credit card, you do get 2% cash back on everything that you buy at Costco. At least, I think most things. I don't know if there's a cap to it, but we definitely get a lot of money back every single year. So that's another reason you want to get it, because imagine, I mean, it doesn't seem like a lot, but you're literally getting everything that you're buying, all your produce, all your weekly buys for 2% cheaper than everybody else. That's a good deal, especially when you start adding up all the purchases over the course of the year. Why not? If you already go to Costco a lot, you know. The only reason I guess you wouldn't want to have a Costco credit card is maybe you want to get the points for something else, like airline points. But one thing I will tell you is, make sure you have a credit card that gives you points or cash back. Like I said, if you don't get it, someone else is gonna get it and you're gonna pay for it. Ooh, I've never seen this before.
Yeah, it's not organic, but
It's okay. It looks really good. And you know what? I like, sometimes you only get these darker red ones or the other ones, but well, that's nice.
I need to get salmon.
Okay, salmon. We haven't.
Kids were requesting salmon. It'll need to be.
Salmon? Can we get wild salmon?
They don't have that here.
Okay, so chicken. It just depends on how much I need and how much we're gonna cook. Because there's so much of us, some of these bigger packs totally make sense for us. But my suggestion is freeze one or stock up, especially if there's a sale on it, and just freeze it. It's nice. See, I prefer to have my meat fresh, so not frozen. But if there's a good deal or sale, I'm definitely gonna buy a little bit more than I need. I just freeze it for those days I just want some kind of protein, whether it's beef or chicken on hand. So definitely something that we stock up on once in a while if there's a deal especially.
Oh no.
What?
No, the one with the.
But can't we make our own butter?
How come it looks different?
Because
more-
it's wild.
more rich.
This is because it's wild. It's
Okay.
better than farm salmon.
Yeah, I mean, I guess so.
Yeah, I think it's better. Tastes better too. Wild is way better for you versus farm. Now we're not opposed to buying the farm stuff, but it's just healthy for you. That's why I get it. Plus we got dope salmon around here in the Northwest. We're gonna make tacos this weekend. I'm gonna get some flank steak for that. Something we stock up on for sure is Parmesan cheese. Now, it's already a good deal. If it's on sale, I'm buying 2 or 3 of these because Parmesan lasts a long time. Now, they've got this more expensive one, which I think is aged longer, so it's got a stronger taste. Yeah, oh, here we go. This is a more affordable one. So this is about $1 more. I just like this because even though this one does taste good and it's stronger, especially for the kids, I feel like this is plenty and you get a good deal. And then this will last a long time. I mean, it's already aged, so you could buy 2 or 3 of these and it would just sit in your fridge for a long time and be fine. So we don't need any today, but lately we have been buying our cheese in big blocks and shredding it. So we don't necessarily stock up on cheese, but we are buying it in a block. Something I've been buying a lot lately is this coconut water because it's definitely the best deal. It's already expensive for what it is, but it's definitely less expensive than if you were to buy it individually at any grocery stores, including Whole Foods. And it's really good too, and really good for you. Judy just spotted this Reese's frozen fruit. I think it's just banana slices with Reese's peanut butter cups. Something we stock up on whenever we run low is frozen fruit. It's the best deal. Normally when you buy frozen fruit at another grocery store, they come in smaller bags and sometimes the price is the exact same as if you were gonna buy a bigger bag. Even if they have the bigger bag, the price is way better here at Costco. And the great thing about frozen fruit is you can just keep it frozen. It doesn't go bad. Compared to, of course, raw fresh fruit, which is sometimes going bad already in the package. And then you don't eat it all and then you throw it away. So one thing that I have been doing though lately is freezing stuff before it goes bad. Judy says we don't need mac and cheese, but this is the mac and cheese we always buy, Annie's organic. This is what we normally get the girls. They like it, but unfortunately they're not really a big fan of the white ones. I like the white ones, so we don't necessarily stock up on maple syrup, but you definitely get the best deal here for this, especially compared to anywhere else. I actually looked it up. It's even cheaper than Walmart, like significantly cheaper. Almost, I want to say half the price. But of course, you're buying a bigger bottle. If you have kids and you eat a lot of pancakes, it's worth it. And it's way better for you than the other stuff, the stuff that we all probably grew up with, Aunt Jemima's or whatever, because it's real syrup from a tree. So I was doing research on what is actually the best deal at Costco, and a lot of blogs were saying gift cards are a good deal, but sometimes you can buy gift cards at a discount, meaning you can buy $100 worth of something for 80 bucks, so 20% off. That seems hella smart if you're gonna already buy a whole bunch. I don't know where all the gift cards are. I think they're at the front. Here's an example. So if you're gonna go to Dave & Buster's, you're gonna two $50 gift cards for 80 bucks, so you get 20% off. Like, why wouldn't you do it? I heard you can do this for all kinds of gift cards. So even this, $100 gift card for 80 bucks, and it's Instacart. So if you're into getting food delivery, or you wanna get your groceries from anywhere, not just here, but including here, why wouldn't you do that? If I know I'm gonna make the purchase, and I'm gonna go to Costco, I would just buy a couple of those. Then you're literally saving 20% off. That's a hell of a good deal. I don't know where Judy went. She's kind of rushing through. Okay, I spotted her. She's holding a whole bunch of stuff. Let's see if I can connect with her over here. She's already over there, just holding a whole bunch of stuff. Where is she? 90% of what's in this cart she grabbed. I just saw her and she's giving me the look. You're giving me the look. Friday afternoon and it's not that busy. Normally Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays are the busiest time, but it is 2:30 right now, so it's a perfect time to come in. FYI. Costco, when it's super busy and there's traffic jams, kind of be stressful. So now today, it's funny, it was nice that it wasn't too busy because Judy really hustled us through that. That was the shortest Costco trip I've ever had. But now I'm waiting for her to get chicken bakes. Now that is a good deal. 25 cents for a bottle of water. Hot dogs, that's a good deal. Even if all you want is a drink, like a soda, I think they lose money on it. I don't know for sure. Honey, what do you think it was? What was the total today?
$2.25.
$2.78.
Oh, what did you get? Oh, the salmon.
And a steak.
Okay, I didn't know you got a steak.
Happy wife, happy life. How was that Costco shopping experience?
That's aight.
It was aight. That was the fastest I've ever shopped. A shout out to the guy that said hi to me and said he watches my videos.
Oh my gosh, that was so sweet. I was like, I just wanted to like bring him over, but he was. So we were walking out, and this guy's on the phone, and I saw that he stopped, and he goes, "Oh, wait a minute," and he goes, "Hey, Benji," and then you were loading the car or something, and I go, "Honey, look, honey, he's calling your name," and he goes, "Hey, man, just want to say thanks for everything you've done for me," and I go, "Do you know him?"
No, yeah. So
he probably watches your videos.
Yeah, and this is the first time I've met a viewer that specifically thanked me for my videos here at Costco, and it was a guy. That's cool.
So cute.
I have the luxury of going shopping to Costco at least once a week. But say you don't have that ability. Say you just go to a regular grocery store and you're able to watch one of my Costco vlogs, like the Rao's pasta sauce.
Rao's.
Three Rao's, okay? I didn't even know it was on sale. So then that other guy told me it was on sale and I got a whole bunch. So I can imagine if you watch the Costco vlogs and you love that Rao's pasta sauce, but you didn't know it was on sale and you watch mine, you might go to Costco and I might have saved you $3 on each one of those little 2-packs. You can buy 5, by the way, it's a limit. So I can imagine people maybe like just being grateful for that they can learn about savings or sales or whatever. Because Costco, you already get a good deal, but especially if there's a sale, then you're getting a sweet, sweet deal. Did you know that you can get gift cards at Costco that are $100, but you buy them for 80 bucks? You know, we don't use it very often because I do go to the grocery store quite often now. But probably like once or twice a month, we just have to get something. So it's nice, especially if you can load it up. I wonder if you can load up the Instacart gift card onto your Instacart app. What would you say the best deals at Costco are from your experience or opinion?
I think the produce are really good, like the berries.
Yeah, the berries for sure.
Blueberries. Other places for like a small thing, it would cost $8.
Uh-huh.
For the full thing, I don't know how much it costs, but it's definitely way cheaper. The berries, carrots are so cheap there.
What about
Pull-ups?
makeup related stuff or beauty related stuff?
I don't really get, well, like, I guess shampoo and conditioner. They're pretty good about, like, getting stuff that's kind of viral, or like the Olay lotion.
What is that again? Is that face, like, moisturizer?
Yeah, it's just like daily moisturizer. They have it there for super cheap, a pack of 2.
Mm-hmm. And that lasts a long time, right?
Yeah, that lasts like 6 months, I think.
And then makeup wipes, is it the cheapest there too?
Yeah, for the quality you're getting.
Yeah.
It's like, it's sturdy makeup wipes. Oh, baby wipes. The baby wipes there are great too, because you go to, you get it at other places, and the wipes are so fragile.
Mm-hmm.
And when you're wiping poop, you want the Kirkland brand.
How much are chicken bakes?
I don't know.
$2.99?
Maybe.
$2? I was wondering what's the difference in cost between a Hot Pocket and a chicken bake. Would you compare those two, and which one do you like better?
I don't think there's a comparison.
Right. The chicken bake's way better?
Yeah, it's superior.
See, the big thing about that Costco food court, it's just so convenient. If you're in a rush, like we were today, and you want to beat traffic, but you need to pick up some groceries, and you pick up a whole pizza, which is already really well priced, or chicken bakes, you have dinner ready, maybe do a side salad. We've done that quite often, and you got yourself a full meal, and it didn't cost you that much, and almost all the hard work was already done by a Costco. That's where they're smart about that. I wonder if the cafeteria started because they just wanted to attract people for lunch, or they knew people would pick up food to bring home, and it would get people to shop more at Costco. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's to bring food home, because you're buying in bulk already.
Right.
So your demographic are families, or maybe like special occasions. Hence why every single birthday party that you go to, kids party, they have Costco pizzas. I'm thinking, like, if there's like a corporate event and you're doing just like catering, or a small business, you would get, deli foods at Costco. And then,
you know what I think is strange about Costco food courts now is that they still have the umbrellas even though it's on the inside. Anyways, that was our Costco visit. No kiddos, just us, real quick. Wanted to show you guys some deals. I didn't get a lot of time to do that today, but thank you to the guy that said hi. Thank you, honey, for keeping me company, kind of.
Thanks for
I felt like I was chasing you. I felt like I was tagging along with you. I was chasing you. But it's nice to have some eye candy.